Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with power and medicine ready. First, confirm the Getwell Mesh Nebulizer has charged batteries or USB power. You need steady current for even aerosol. Then wash your hands and measure the prescribed dose into the medication cup. Accurate volume matters. Once done, snap the mesh cap onto the chamber and make sure the chamber is dry. Moisture or residue blocks the mesh pores. You'll see why. A clogged mesh reduces output and wastes medicine, so this step sets up effective inhalation. You now assemble and start treatment. Attach the mouthpiece or mask firmly. A proper seal directs aerosol to lungs instead of leaking into air. Next, power on the unit. Watch for a fine, consistent mist. Inconsistent mist indicates a problem. Breathe normally through the mouthpiece or mask. Do not force breaths. Hold the nebulizer upright and keep it level because tilting changes flow through the mesh. Once running, most doses finish in roughly 8 to 12 minutes, so stay relaxed until mist stops. You finish by powering down, then disassembling and rinsing the cup, mouthpiece, and cap with warm water. Let parts air dry on a clean towel. Once a week, do a deeper clean using the manufacturer method or a mild vinegar soaked to dissolve residue and preserve mesh pores. If you see little or no mist, troubleshoot. First check power or USB connection, then gently clean the mesh with the supplied brush. Do not press or poke, and if needed, replace batteries. This keeps treatments reliable and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.